Welcome to the purchase order screen. This section allows you to create and manage purchase orders for your suppliers. At the top, you will see the purchase order number and entry date. The system automatically generates the purchase order number, and the entry date shows when the order is being created. You can enter the quotation number provided by the supplier. Next, enter the supplier code or search for the supplier name. Once the supplier is selected, the VAT number and other supplier details will appear automatically. The purchaser field shows the name of the employee creating this purchase order. You can also select the currency in which the order will be placed. The currency rate field the current exchange rate for conversion. If the purchase order is related to a specific project, you can link it by entering the project code and project name. In the items section, you can add the product or services to be purchased. Start by entering the item code or searching by item name. You can also include the Arabic name if required. Then, select the unit of measurement. Enter the quantity per unit, total quantity, and rate. The system will automatically calculate the item value. You can also apply discounts and VAT, and the line total will be updated automatically. To add more items, simply click on Add Row. Finally, use the buttons on the left save to record the purchase order. Print to generate a hard copy. Cancel to discard the entry or refresh to reload the screen. This is the purchase order list screen. Here, all previously created purchase orders are displayed in a tabular format. At the top, you can see the search option with a drop-down menu. You can filter purchase orders by purchase order number, supplier code, supplier name, quotation number, purchaser or branch. After selecting a filter, enter the keyword in the search box and click search. On the right hand side under actions, you have quick access options. The pencil icon allows you to edit an existing purchase order, while the printer icon lets you print the purchase order directly. At the bottom, the system provides pagination controls if multiple records are available. This screen gives you a complete overview and easy access to all purchase orders in the system.